At the Gilmore Therapeutic Recreation Center, something new has taken root. A new gardening program is giving participants the opportunity to learn, grow, and get their hands dirty. The idea came from Mallory, an assistant supervisor at the center who previously taught a therapeutic gardening program. She saw how engaged seniors and people with disabilities became while working in the garden, and she wanted to bring that same experience to Gilmore.
We're talking about the wheelchair-accessible raised garden bed that we've created here at the Dorothy Gilmore Adaptive Recreation Center. We had a lot of help building this. We have community partners. We have Grays Creek SGA that helped us to build this raised bed. And we also have Leaf of Life, our community partner, as well. The idea is to really enrich everyone's lives. We are an adaptive recreation center, so we work with people with special needs, whether that's a physical or intellectual disability. The idea is for them to be able to comfortably walk in, whether they're in a chair or they can stand or they have to use something to hold themselves up. They can easily access and be a gardener themselves.
Participants in the program learn how to grow food, why gardening is important, and what plants grow well together. Each season brings new opportunities to try different fruits, vegetables, and herbs.
So here we have pumpkins. These are our little pumpkins. Yay! We also have some rosemary right here. We have zinnias that we just planted, a nice okra plant. Our tomatoes, they have gone bananas, but we're very, very thankful for those tomatoes. And then, of course, our watermelon, they're going to steal the show over here.
The garden also connects with other programs at the center, including cooking classes, where the goal is to eventually use the herbs and vegetables grown by the participants themselves. It's an opportunity to learn gardening and life skills, take responsibility, and experience the pride that comes from watching something grow. The gardening class is just one of the many adaptive recreation opportunities at the Gilmore Therapeutic Recreation Center that help people learn, connect, and thrive.
This is what we're doing at the Dorothy Gilmore Adaptive Recreation Center, and we want you to be a part of it.